discuss on a very important point as what is the difference between a data warehouse and this OLTP system. Right. So basically what happens is you can have multiple operating systems. We can get the data using an ETL process and then store it in a normalized data warehouse as well as which makes it into a star schema and then use it for data analysis and data mining. Now the case is that why should I actually have to make such a data warehouse? What is the purpose of such a data warehouse? Because one is that you can have different business logics which are different data sources which are coming in which have to be consolidated for management reporting. Second is that you might want to cleanse the data and do the normalization. So just I'll just show it to you. Suppose say like this is a data warehouse which we have, right? So all CFOs and CEOs who are using any accounting application should actually look at a data warehouse. So this is a conventional approach. You have a reporting layer like this. What our is this is that we'll get the data into the staging layer, consolidate the data, and then make a complete reporting module out of the same. Right. Now this is a sort of a data warehouse which we have made, which includes staging, the ODS, and the on the this layer. So this makes staging a ODS hai, and a star this thing layer is there. And ultimately it all results into a single table. So that means we minimize the number of joins in the transaction queries to bring everything into a single table. So जैसे कि मैंने suppose I pick up this one. Suppose मैंने ऐसे किया and we minimize the data from from all of them and put everything into a single table. तो अगर मैंने उसको सब कुछ एक single table में डाल दिया तो मेरे minimum number of joins से my indexing is also this thing and I don't have to worry. I pick it up and I get the complete group and the ledger hierarchy and the bill and the batch and everything amount. So basically data warehouses, I minimize the number of joins. I put it into either a single view or put it into a star schema instead of multiple tables so that my query processing is very, very fast. Right. The second reason is more subtle is you see this here, anything which is here is ये देखिए ये सारे के सारे क्या है, ये on fly calculations है. And if I'm going down here in the on fly calculations, if I pick up any one of them here, salary payable and this thing, you see this here, right? Anything here which you see here is now going to come from the ledger vouchers table. So this is the core where actually all your transactions are going to come in. So I'll just pick up anyone which has got some transactions with it associated with it. Right. Now what happens is in order to pick up this entry on from the ledger vouchers, so I'm just picking it up here. Here we go. So this is my ledger vouchers, right? Now in order to get the data from the ledger vouchers across all of them, each time I have to put in 101 innovations. So I'll give a sample Excel. So this is going only for this. Now suppose I've got 1,000 ledgers, then I'll have to hit this tally 1,000 times. The same thing extends down to the stock vouchers. If you go down to it here, right? If you can go down here, it will also again go down to the stock vouchers here. Again here, again each time you have to go with item by item, and similarly everything has to go by आपका जो दूसरी जो है वो cost center report. So if I put a statement of accounts, if I put cost centers, and if I put the cost center summary, this is going to CC vouchers. Again it's going, you have to go cost center by cost center. Now this process can be very inefficient because I can have 1,000 20 cost centers, 1,000 ledgers, 150 stock items. I'll have to hit the tally report each time. But what I want is a consolidated report across all of them. तो मतलब ये है कि भैया मुझे one set में I should be able to get the inventory movements of across all of them, right? So that is what actually we are seeking to do across all the dates and all the time periods using this. तो अगर आप इसमें से data warehouse में देखेंगे, so then you don't have to hit the database real time all the time. You can actually just do it once and for all. एक बारी आपने कर दिया and then everything is coming in one single go. I don't have to do it repeatedly. So this is actually to hit the transaction system lesser number of time. Parameterized reports are going to be hit lesser. The reports are going to be faster because of lesser number of joins, and I get everything in a single view. That is what the purpose of that data warehouse is, primarily for management reports and dashboarding. With this, I come to the end of the small video.